Tehillim 60. For the chief musician, to the tune of The Lily of the Covenant, a teaching poem by David, when he fought with Aram Naharaim and with Aram Tzobah. And Joab returned and killed 12,000 of Edom in the valley of Salt. Elohim, you have rejected us, you have broken us down, you have been angry. Restore us again. You have made the land tremble, you have torn it. Mend its fractures, for it quakes. You have shown your people hard things. You have made us drink the wine that makes us stagger. You have given a banner to those who fear you, that it may be displayed because of the truth. Selah. So that your beloved may be delivered, save with your right hand, and answer us. Elohim has spoken from his sanctuary. I will triumph. I will divide Shechem and measure out the valley of Sukkot. Gilead is mine, and Menashe is mine. Ephraim also is the defense of my head. Yehudah is my scepter. Moab is my wash basin. I will throw my shoe on Edom. I shout in triumph over Philistia. Who will bring me into the strong city? Who has led me to Edom? Haven't you, Elohim, rejected us? You don't go out with our armies, Elohim. Give us help against the adversary, for the help of man is vain. Through Elohim we shall do valiantly, for it is he who will tread down our adversaries.